Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be discussing step-by-step instructions on how to share code with GitHub. GitHub is a popular web-based platform for version control and collaboration, widely used by developers and teams worldwide. So let's dive in and learn how effectively sharing code using GitHub. Several platforms provide hosting for Git repositories, making collaboration and code sharing easier. Some of the popular options include GitHub, widely used for open source and private projects. GitHub offers a rich set of features for collaboration, code review, and issue tracking. The second one is GitLab. GitLab provides all-in-one DevOps platform with built-in CI/CD pipelines, issue tracking, and integrated project management. The third one is Bitbucket. Bitbucket, you can host Git repositories privately, collaborate with teams, and seamlessly integrate with other Atlassian tools. These platforms offer a user-friendly interface and a range of features to support your Git workflow. In this video, we'll explore more on GitHub. GitHub provides a seamless way to share code, collaborate with others, and manage version control using the Git VCS. It offers a range of features including repositories, branches, pull requests, and issue tracking, making it a powerful platform for software development. Now let's explore the step-by-step process of sharing code on GitHub. The first step to create a repository on GitHub. Log into your GitHub account. Click on the New button on the left side of the dashboard. Enter the name for your repository. Optionally provide a description for your repository. Choose whether you want the repository to be public or private. Select any additional options or templates that suit your project. Click on Create Repository button. Congratulations, you've successfully created a repository on GitHub. Now that you have a repository, it's time to upload your code. Let's initialize a local Git repository in our project's directory using the same git init command. Add your code files to the repository using the git add command. Commit your changes using the git commit command. Let's create a connection to the remote repository using the git remote add origin command, followed by the repository URL. Push your code to the remote GitHub repository using git push command. Fantastic. Your code is now uploaded to your GitHub repository. Sharing code with GitHub is a straightforward process when you follow these step-by-step instructions. By creating repositories, uploading code, leveraging pull requests, and managing issues, you can effectively collaborate, track changes, and ensure that the quality of your code base is efficient. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative content on GitHub and software development practices. Thank you for watching.